Every day, it seems like we're one step closer to living forever. We have developed some incredible technology over the past few years that has allowed us to do things which previously would have been thought impossible. One of these technologies is something called personalized medicine, an innovative approach to treating illness and disease which takes into account your individual genetic makeup. No longer will you have to deal with trial and error when it comes to finding the right medicine for you. Instead, doctors will be able to prescribe medicine that is tailored to your own unique genetics. This will ensure that you get the maximum benefit from your medication while minimizing any side effects. The best part is that this technology is already available today. It's just not very widely used yet. But as AI continues to advance at its breakneck pace, it won't be long before personalized medicine becomes the norm rather than the exception. In this video, we'll take a look at how this revolutionary technology works and what it means for the future of healthcare. If you like optimistic science and tech stories, stay tuned for more. Let's begin. So what exactly is personalized medicine? As the name suggests, it is an approach to treating illness and disease which takes into account the individual patient. In other words, no two patients are alike, and therefore no two treatments should be either. Personalized medicine recognizes this and tailors treatment plans accordingly. The most common way that personalized medicine is implemented is through genetic testing. By understanding a person's genetic makeup, doctors can identify what kind of illnesses or diseases they may be predisposed to. They can also find out how their body will react to certain medications. This allows them to develop a treatment plan that is specific to that person and their needs. For example, if a person is genetically predisposed to diabetes, their doctor may recommend a specific diet and exercise plan to help them manage their blood sugar levels. Or if a person has a genetic mutation that makes them resistant to certain medications, their doctor may choose a different drug that will be more effective. It isn't just about preventing and managing diseases. Personalized medicine can also be used to treat illnesses in a more targeted way. For example, cancer is a disease that can be treated with chemotherapy. However, not all chemotherapy drugs work for all patients. In fact, some patients may even be allergic to certain drugs. With personalized medicine, doctors can perform tests to determine which drugs are most likely to be effective against a patient's particular type of cancer. This not only increases the chances of successful treatment, but it also minimizes the risk of side effects. Another great thing about personalized medicine is that it allows doctors to monitor a patient's progress more closely. By understanding how a person's genes affect their response to treatment, doctors can make adjustments along the way to ensure that the treatment plan is as effective as possible. This type of monitoring is simply not possible with traditional medicine, which takes a more one-size-fits-all approach. Now you might be wondering how this relates to AI, especially considering that artificial intelligence is not currently capable of diagnosing or treating illnesses. Rather, AI's role in personalized medicine is to assist doctors by analyzing vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. For example, AI algorithms can be used to analyze a patient's genetic information and compare it to a database of other patients to identify patterns and correlations. This can help doctors develop a better understanding of the disease process and identify new potential targets for treatment. Additionally, AI-powered diagnostic tools can help doctors interpret the results of complex tests such as MRIs and X-rays. This can lead to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, which is essential for developing effective treatment plans. Overall, AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of personalized medicine by providing doctors with the insights they need to make better decisions about how to treat each patient. Let's talk about some of the ways that AI is being used in personalized medicine today. One example is in the area of oncology, where AI algorithms are being used to analyze a patient's tumor cells and develop a personalized cancer treatment plan. By identifying the specific genetic mutations driving a patient's cancer, oncologists can select the most effective drugs to target those mutations and minimize damage to healthy cells. Another application of AI in personalized medicine is in the area of rare diseases. As you probably already know, rare diseases are conditions that affect a small percentage of the population, and they can often be difficult to diagnose and treat. However, with the help of AI, Researchers are now able to analyze large amounts of data from patients with rare diseases and identify patterns that may not have been apparent before. This has led to the development of new diagnostic tools and treatment plans for a number of rare diseases. Another exciting application of AI in personalized medicine is in the area of drug discovery. Developing a new drug can take many years and billions of dollars, but AI is speeding up the process by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying potential drug candidates much more quickly. For example, one company is using AI to develop a personalized cancer vaccine. The vaccine is designed to target a patient's specific tumor cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. And early clinical trials have shown promising results. So, as you can see, AI is playing an important role in the development and implementation of personalized medicine, helping doctors to develop more effective and targeted treatment plans for their patients. There are many benefits to using AI in this way. For example, AI algorithms are able to analyze vast amounts of data very quickly, which allows them to identify patterns and correlations that would not be possible for humans to detect. This leads to more accurate diagnoses and more effective treatment plans. Additionally, AI-powered diagnostic tools can help to reduce the cost and wait times associated with traditional diagnostic methods. By automating the analysis of medical images, for example, AI can help to ensure that patients receive their results quickly so that they can start treatment as soon as possible. Despite these benefits, there are also some challenges associated with the use of AI in personalized medicine. One concern is that AI algorithms may be biased based on the data that they were trained on, which could lead to inaccurate diagnoses or ineffective treatment plans for certain groups of patients. Another concern is that the use of AI in healthcare may result in job displacement, as some tasks are automated. However, it's important to note that AI is not intended to replace doctors or other healthcare professionals. Rather, it's meant to augment their abilities and help them to provide better care for their patients. The field of AI is advancing rapidly, and it's clear that AI-powered tools will play an increasingly important role in the future of personalized medicine. By harnessing the power of AI, we can improve the accuracy and effectiveness of diagnoses, develop more targeted and effective treatments, and ultimately improve the quality of care that we provide to patients. The future of personalized medicine is bright, and we are just beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible. Here's what we can expect to see in the years to come. First, we'll see more widespread adoption of genetic testing as a routine part of medical care. This will allow doctors to identify patients who are at risk for certain illnesses and tailor their treatment plans accordingly. Second, we can expect to see the development of new AI-powered tools that can analyze vast amounts of patient data and identify patterns that can lead to more accurate diagnoses and effective treatments. Finally, we can expect to see more collaboration between doctors, geneticists, AI experts, and other healthcare professionals. By working together, we can ensure that patients receive the best possible care and that AI is used safely and effectively in the field of personalized medicine. Overall, the future of personalized medicine looks incredibly promising. As AI continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that improve the accuracy and effectiveness of diagnoses and treatments. The goal of personalized medicine is to provide each patient with the best possible care by taking into account their individual genetic makeup and lifestyle factors. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns, it is clear that this technology has the potential to revolutionize the future of personalized medicine. All right, everyone. That's it for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, feel free to leave any comments or questions you have down below. I always love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.